Welcome to Knowledge Search channel. In this video, we will be discussing about BMC business model Canva, and I have chosen the topic as Anthropic, which is a business model for constitutional AI and enterprise safety. So, in order to enter into the topic, I just want to explain what is a business model Canva. See, a business model Canva is actually a strategic management tool. It is a strategic management tool which will make you to visualize and access a business idea or a concept. So it will be giving you a visualization and assess the business idea. It will always assess, okay? It will assess the business idea or a concept. So actually it will be consisting of about 9 building blocks. So what are the 9 building blocks? Key partners, key activities, key resources, value propositions, customer relationships and channels, and finally customer segments, cost structure and revenue streams. So these are the different 9 building blocks of any BMC. Okay, so hope actually I just wanted to move my slide. Okay, so we have discussed about it is a strategic management tool. So it is having 9 building blocks. So the 9 building blocks are key partners, key activities, key resources, value propositions, customer relationships, and channels and customer segments, cost structure, revenue streams. So these are the things. So today I have taken the topic as Anthropic. So almost all the top tier and AI agents are using this particular BMC Canva. So nowadays it has become a part of any company. All the successful MNCs are using this BMC Canva model. So let's go and discuss one by one each and every model for this particular Anthropic. Okay. So Anthropic is a business model. Actually, it is a business model, and for example, what is the use of this business model? It is a business model which gives a direct response to the market demand for safe, reliable, and deployable AI. Okay, so it gives a direct response to the market's demand for safe, reliable, and deployable AI. So its functional value proposition is anchored in constitutional AI, offering a safety first guarantee that positions their cloud models as a secure choice for highly regulated industries. So they target a premium customer segment of global enterprises that cannot risk or brand damage using a usage based revenue system supplemented by high value professional services. Through specialized channels, including direct enterprise sales and strategic partnerships with cloud providers like AWS and Google Cloud, Anthropic transforms its massive key resource, specialized talent in mechanistic interpretability from a pure cost structure into a scalable trust product, ultimately commoditizing the AI reliability. See, for example, in case of value proposition for this particular Anthropic, safety as the product is a very important thing. And so the constitutional AI provides a scalable, verifiable alignment, high context windows. And when we go to the customer segments, it is highly regulated. So finance, healthcare, legal, SaaS builders, and entrepreneurs, every B2C also these are also the customer segments. So finance and healthcare, SaaS builders like entrepreneurs integrating complex safe chatbots, as well B2C are all the customer segments. And going to key partners, AWS and Google will be the key partner because access to massive computer power like H100CS and TPUs and primary distribution channels for the enterprise clients, research institutions, etc. So what are the key activities? So the key activities will be like mechanistic interoperability R&D, and constitution AI fine tuning. And finally, the key resources will be like world leading mechanistic interoperability researchers. And finally, what are the channels we use is direct sales and cloud marketplace. So in case of direct sales, we will be focusing on the Fortune 500, whereas in case of cloud marketplace, we will be focusing on the AWS Bedrock and Google Cloud Vertex AI, and public API uses developer self-service. And finally, the customer relationships. For customer relationship, we'll be using the wide glove enterprise support, custom integration assistance, developer community, documentation, and self-service portals, and B2C support also will be there. So revenue streams, usage-based tokens, volume-based API fee, SaaS subscription, Cloud Pro, maybe we can charge us $20 per month, and professional services like safety auditing and custom alignment will be there. Cost structure, so compute, extremely high cost of the model training and fine tuning, and R&D talent will be there, and top tier specialized salaries for the R&D talent, and compliance and data is also playing a very vital role for the cost structure. So this is all about the BMC blocks. So let us go into the chart actually. So this is the BMC chart. So whatever I have discussed in the previous things, I have put it as a chart, so you can see whatever things I have discussed, it is acting as a chart. So all the things has been put as a chart. So this is the BMC Canva model for the Anthropic, analyzing the model for constitutional AI and enterprise safety. So hope you are clear with the key partners, key activities, key resources, which is on the left hand side, and value propositions on the center, and customer relationships, channels, and customer segments on the right side, and as well the cost structure and revenue streams which are on the bottom. So this gives a overview of the BMC chart. So I am really very thankful for your patient listening. And if you really like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you have any doubts, you can comment. And if you want to share this video will be useful to someone, please share it. And if you really like the videos which I post on the channel, please subscribe and give me a support. So thank you very much. Thank you.